Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Voyager to Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Voyager to Fidelity, begin by opening your Voyager application on your device. Log into your Voyager account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section of the application. Look for an option that says Connect to External Account or Link Account. Select this option to initiate the linking process. Next, choose Fidelity from the list of available financial institutions. You will be prompted to enter your Fidelity account information. Provide your Fidelity account number and any other requested details. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions for linking accounts. Agree to the terms before proceeding to the next step. The app may require you to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, the app will start syncing your Fidelity account with Voyager. This may take a few moments, so be patient while the connection is established. After the connection is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now access your Fidelity account balances and asset information within the Voyager app. If you experience any issues during this process, check the FAQ section in the Voyager app for troubleshooting tips. You can also contact customer support for further assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.